What's going on, everybody? I'm back at Pink Ribbon Racing again. This time it's the end of the night, but we just had a really good full day of recording a new video and installing a bunch of stuff on the car. So once again, I'll put a link down below for where to actually go see that real video that's going to be on Supra MK5. But I just want to quickly show you. I have in front of me here a whole bunch of stock suspension components. And that can only mean one thing. That means that all the non-stock stuff is right up here. SPL arms there, and I'll figure out how to use my camera eventually. We got KW shocks, Club Sports, which we installed last week. There's the springs. Let's take a look at the front. Where am I at? There we go. SPL front lower arm, and link for the sway bar. Oh yes. Super pretty KW Club Sports up front. And on the other side. So in 4 days, we're supposed to be at Buttonwillow testing this car out. Matt and JJ are here. Where is he at? There's JJ. There's Matt. They are currently working on the downpipe, just right here. Looking nice and fresh, all wrapped up with some heat wrap. There's no cat in there, so hopefully that's going to fix our heat soak problem in the engine bay. So anyway, a lot more detail on that on the video over on Supra MK5. I'll put the link below. Go check that out. Good morning, everybody. It's like 9 a.m., but it feels like 6 a.m. because none of us slept very much last night.
Yes, I hate Windows. I am grumpy, and it's early in the morning. I already had my coffee. It's not helping.
JJ, it's 9 o'clock. It's not early.
It's early. I was up before 9.
Because we've been working on this. We did the alignment and the corner balance at Y Motorsports. So thank you, Yufeng, for helping us out and letting us use your space. It's pretty much ready to go. We're headed to Buttonwillow in just a little bit. The only things we have left to do are install wheel studs. The reason we have to do that is because Toyota did not see fit to give us studs from the factory. These are wheel bolts, and the seats are different, and we're going to throw these on the car. So we have to put the studs on so we can use normal bolts, and that, by the way, is a 305-ish. You'll see in a minute, it actually kind of does fit. We haven't even changed anything, so that's pretty cool.
Okay, give me a full sweep. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's good. One more time. One more time. Back it up halfway, one full turn. Stop. We're good. It's gonna clear. Yep.
Dude, the tire's so much wider than stock. When I turn, I feel the whole front of the car picking up.
Yeah, we could see the jacking. Cool. Here you go.
Thank you. So it turns out this trailer was made for exactly this Supra. While we were putting it on, both front tires were just barely touching the fenders. I could hear the tires rubbing against the metal as we pulled the car on. But you know what? If it fits, it ships.
You're ruining the shoot, dude. God, Johnny Mac, shut up.
Johnny Mac, what are you doing?
Take it out. Oh, JJ. No, I'm just... I can't believe that's a stock exhaust. That is crazy. It sounds like it's awesome. Today it's kind of a up and down day. Overall, everything's good. I think we did exactly what we came here to do, which is make sure the car is overall decent to drive and nobody dies. Right. So we have achieved that. This car is okay. There's a couple of issues that arise, mostly with traction control and transmission, but I think we know what to do to get them resolved. So we're gonna definitely look forward to the next test day on the 23rd, on the next 2 Fridays from now. Yes, that'll be here as well at Buttonwillow, and then but that's gonna be our big day. We're gonna have more power, more aero, and hopefully get the rest of the issue resolved as well.
I can't go anywhere. Friends are new, and ways to grow. Or in the rainbow, I can be anything. Take a look.